If you've ever tried a sugar substitute and immediately regretted it because of the weird aftertaste, this might be exactly what you're looking for. I've been sugar-free for over 5 years and have tried a lot of sweeteners. Out of all of them, Swerve is hands down my favorite. Stick around until the end because I'll tell you why I keep buying it again and again. This bag contains 48 ounces of Swerve Ultimate Sugar Replacement. It's 0 calories, 0 sugar, keto friendly, non glycemic, gluten free, and made with high quality non GMO ingredients. What really sets it apart is that it measures cup for cup like regular sugar. If your recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, you use 1 cup of Swerve. No complicated conversions, no guesswork. It also browns and caramelizes more like traditional sugar, which makes a huge difference when you're making creme brulee. Today I'm making a sugar-free blackberry pie with it and it tastes incredible. I served this pie to friends and family and they've been completely shocked when I tell them it's sugar-free. For me, this fixed the problem of wanting delicious baked treats without the taste compromises that come with many sugar substitutes. I get the sweetness I want, the baking performance I need, and desserts that people genuinely enjoy. If you're looking for a sugar replacement that actually tastes good, this is one I keep coming back to.